Dr. Kasikasu and classmate, my name is Huang Jiahui. I am so happy to have this opportunity to share something on behalf of our group. The topic of our presentation is organizational behavior, and before the preface, as a merchant discipline, organizational behavior have been widely used in model enterprise management. The significance of organizational behavior in enterprise management is mainly reflected in ambitions and the concept of management skills, promoting employee sense of fairness, improving employee sense of identity with the company, and improving organizational cohesion. And the presentation will be divided into following three parts: importance of organizational behavior, application of organizational behavior in enterprise, and summary. About the first part, importance of organizational behavior, we can divide into 5 parts. People are written, reflects the law, model organizational thinking, cultural organizational talents, and organizational behavior. At first, about the people are written, pay attention to the people-oriented model management concept. People-oriented is the core concept of model management. To realize people-oriented management, we must recognize the dominant position of people and convert to the law of people's behavior. Organizational behavior starts from the subjectivization of people and think people in the organization as the research project. The purpose is to understand and reflect the behavior law of people in the organization. The premise, object, and purpose of the organizational behavior research are fully reflected in the people original thoughts, which is the realizing of people original, the necessary science of management thinking. And about the reflection of the law of human behavior in the organization. Organizational behavior can scientifically reflect the basic law of the operation of management object. People are the main element of an organizational and the main object of management. To realize the scientific management, we must proceed from the essential category of the management objection and convert to the basic law of the management object. And about the organization behavior is the science of organization. Organization behavior science, also knows about organizational science, refers to organizational behavior that specially reflects people's scientific understanding of social organizational thought, becoming a scientific model organizational thinking. The scientific thought not only reflecting the general phenomenon of the social organization, but also refers to the object law of the social organization. It not only reflects to gesture relationship of social organizational statically, but also dynamical, reflecting the operating merchant of social organizational. This is organizational behavior and its based laws. And about the cultural organizational talent, organizational behavior by recognizing and reflecting the laws of organization behavior, force and developing model organizational thinking, and will gradually build and continue improve the scientific knowledge citizen of organizational education. That is to educate the members of the organization and cultivate the talent of the organization. Members are the mind body of the organization, and talent are the key to the organization's development. Educating organization members and cultivating organizational talents is an important task of model organization management and a key line to in realizing people-oriented management ideas. And about the guide organizational behavior, by continuous summarizing the practical experience of organizational behavior, understand the general phenomenon of organizational behavior, discovering the basis of law of organizational behavior, forming the scientific theoretical citizen reflecting the objective law of organizational behavior, and then use the scientific theory of organizational behavior as a guide for organizational behavior. In the pursuit of further gaining practice, it's not only gain the practices of organizational as a whole, but also gain the practice of individual behavior, group behavior, and leadership behavior in the organization. In the pursuit of combining theory and practice, theory not only gain practice, but also accept the task of practice, enrich the knowledge of practice, and continue development and improve the scientific theoretical citizens of organizational behavior. And about the application of organization behavior in enterprise, the employee relations management. In a broad sense, employee relationship management merely refers to the determination of the original internal human resources policies by enterprise management so as to more smoothly realize the strategic development goals of the enterprise. Employee relationship management in a narrow sense refers to employee communicating management, which is not mandatory but highly motivating and increasing, amounting to improve employee certification and better assisting enterprise development. The role of organization behavior is reflected in all aspects of business management, and it can be used to promote employee relationship management in order to improve the efficiency of corporate management and structure the construction of strategic management goals. It is necessary to explore new and better management models, and in this way, management behavior which compose a significant and key position in management science is of great use. Organizational behavior starts the behavior, needs, and relationship of employee and explore the relationship between individual and collectivity in various levels, including mentoring and spiritual, in order to optimize the management model and improve the efficating and lasting the effectiveness of employee, thus promoting the effective operation of enterprise and improving the development direction of enterprise. In model business management, the importance of organizational behavior have been self-evident. Organizational behavior is a model management concept which is mainly start from human beings applies organizational behavior to human resource management is important for improving employee job satisfaction and enhancing organizational performance. Organizational behavior is a cross-cutting discipline. This is used as the basis for a comprehensive start for human behavior. Employee relationship management is not only theoretical but also practical and is very important part of human resource management. Employee relation management might including employee communication, employee emotion, employee training, corporal culture, crystal management, and so on. And about the summary, now we use a real organizational example to explain the importance of the organizational behavior. The case is Haidilao. Haidilao is the famous Chinese hotpot branding. Haidilao's success is famous for its service, and the employee service to customer is bring about by the company adequate and successful organizational behavior management. For example, waiter will try their best to meet the needs of customer, and this require managers to give appropriate automatic indicate the service provided by waiter is not something that managers may regression to be affected. Therefore, Haidilao waiters' meticulous care for customer is largely due to the company operating training, employees' intrinsic motivation, commitment to the company, and the personal job satisfaction, and so on. At last, enterprise management must fully recognize the importance of organization theater as the theatrical base for the continuous optimization of the organizational management behavior so as to maintain employee relation and achieve satisfiable development of the enterprise. So that's all. Thank you.